So in this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows security not working in Windows 11. If you are facing issues with Windows security not opening or functioning properly, this guide will help you to resolve it. Getting Windows security backup and running is essential for keeping your system protected from potential threats. So let's start the video. Now first method is to reset the Windows security app itself. To do this, click on Start menu and select Settings. Now navigate to the Apps section from the left sidebar and then select Apps and Features. Here in the search bar, type Windows Security. When the app appears, click on the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down to find the Reset button. Once you have found, click on it. This action will reset the app to its default state, potentially fixing any issues causing it to malfunction. After resetting, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect and check if Windows security is now working as expected. If it's still not working, another effective method is to restart the Security Center service. To do this, press Windows plus R key, type services.msc and hit enter. In the list of services, scroll down to find Security Center. Once located, right click on it and select Restart. As you can see, my restart option is grayed out because my issue has already been resolved. If the service is not currently running, you can start it by selecting Start instead. This simple step can often resolve issues where Windows security fails to open or function correctly.